Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I decided to go ahead and do a spur of the moment tutorial since I was making these for my niece. She's also having a wedding. Hers is postponed just like mine. Hers is August 3rd, and she asked me to make some corsages. I don't know if they're for her bridesmaids or whoever, but she wanted me to make 7 of them. Her colors are navy, blue, white, and silver. Okay, so I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how I'm making these. I make 7 of them. I gotta make I made 3. I'm going to be making 4 more, and so these are what they look like. And she wanted the kind that you can tie onto the wrist so they're adjustable. I asked her if she wanted something that's elastic or something that you can tie on. She said tie on. So I got the ribbon from Walmart, I believe. Got this from Walmart, and it is 5/8 inch wide, 18 feet long. I cut these at about 24-25 inches long. You can decide if you want them big, longer, or shorter. That's up to you, but I cut mine at 24 to 25 inches long. I kind of guesstimated on how much it'll need to tie it in a bow, and then it'll stay on and still have some room left over. So that's why I come up with that. You're also going to need some, if you want sparkle, you get some leaves. That I got these from Michael's. They were on sale. I think they were like $1.99, but I got them on sale when they would have the wedding stuff that week on sale, 50% off. And of course you're going to need the flower or flowers that you need, what you want in your corsage, and some baby's breath if you choose to add that. Okay. Oh, and some felt. I cut felt circles at a 1.5 inch diameter, and I cut them with my die. Where'd it go? I had a die. I'm using my dies here. It's from this set. I'm cutting here, and I measured it's like 1.5 inches. You can cut on a die, a punch if you can get the felt in there, or you can just cut them by hand. Again, you can cut them bigger or smaller, whatever you want, whatever you want. And you're gonna need 2 for each one that you make. And I say 2 because I was going to leave it, you know, just cut one, but then when I looked, and I didn't want it to be looking all ugly on that side, and plus it'd probably be easier or more comfortable if you had a backing on there instead of, you know, the you know, even though it's soft ribbon, you don't want it to irritate the skin. So also you're also going to need some what is this? I know what it is. Y'all know what it is, and I can't think of it. Things escape me like this. Tool. Okay, tool. Again, I cut this slightly bigger. I don't know how big it is. I cut this slightly bigger than my felt. Let's measure it. I just grabbed something. I don't know how big it is. I just grabbed a die, and this is 2.5 inches. So again, this depends on. It's optional also, by the way, and so you can make it bigger, smaller, same size, whatever. And I just put it on there for extra decoration. Okay, so I got all the pieces cut, and when you get your felt cut, you just fold it in half, fold your felt pieces in half, and cut 2 slits wide enough so that your ribbon will fit through it. Okay, so once you run it through there like that, and then on the side, okay, now this is double side ribbon. This is the wrong side, you can see that, and this is the shiny side. So whatever side is the wrong side, that is the side that you want to put the other piece of felt. It doesn't matter how you run this through. If it's the other way around, just make sure that you put the felt that's going to against the skin on the back side of the ribbon. Okay, so after you get that done, and then you're going to take your tool, if you choose to add that, and you're going to put a little like that in there, because it doesn't take a lot, and you're going to center it on there. Just going to put it on there, and they can like press it down and hold it. And you know what, guys, I'm going to go ahead and use one of these because I'm going to see if they work. This is in a previous video that I just did a haul on from Dollar Tree. Okay. Oh, and by the way, I got the flowers from Dollar Tree, the bunch of flowers from Dollar Tree. This is the baby breath that I'm using on my flowers for my wedding. I got these from Dollar Tree. And the tool, I think I've either got it from Dollar Tree or I don't know where I got it, but this is the ruler tool that I'm using. And I told you where I got the leaves from, these silver leaves. And that's that. Okay, now cut off a piece, you might have cut down some, and then you're gonna take your leaf. We're not gonna cut that metal part off. You're gonna need it. So you're just gonna kind of fold it in half, like up to the behind the leaf, on the back side of the leaf, and then again you're gonna put another little dot across that middle part, and then you gotta make sure that the leaf is like the bottom part of the leaf is right at the top of that felt. Oh, of course, an easy way to center the ribbon onto the felt when you get it on, when you get it threaded through, or after, before or after, doesn't matter. Just fold the ribbon in half. Just fold it evenly in half, crease it, and then you'll know where the center is and know where to put it, right in the middle of that the slits where you had to put them on there. And all this stuff is in my way. It's not even stuff I'm working with. Okay, so you got that on, and now we're gonna take a flower. Oh, there's my bunch, and I pull off the leaf and the flower. Okay, so this is a plastic piece in between of the leaf. We're just gonna pull that out. We don't want that. Just pull it out and throw that away. And then the little stump part that's come off the stem of the bush, just put that on there, and we're going to glue it in place. Just take it and glue it on each side. You can do one or both sides, doesn't matter. Just pull that leaf back, and this is just to hold the leaf onto the flower. Just put that down, and then we get that on. I'm just going to cut that off. Don't cut it all the way down, but just cut it off so it's a little bit flush, like so. Alright, now we're going to get our baby's breath, and then we're going to put it right across there, right on either side, or wherever you want to put it. It doesn't matter, but I'm just putting mine right here. I'm putting it on this side. I'm going to lay it across where that leaf is, and then I'm going to get my flower, and I'm going to load the back of this up with glue. Just load that up, and then because the leaves on each side, I'm going to make sure that the leaves are coming out where the ribbon is. So I'm just going to take it and press it down. Make sure it's in the middle of that felt. I don't want to bend over and get my head in the way, so that's why I didn't do it. But you just hold it there for a minute. And some flowers you don't need this, but because these flowers are so open, I don't like that. So I am going to put an acrylic gem in the middle. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to hold it open. And then we'll get some glue. And then I'm get one of these gigantic gems, plastic gems, acrylic gems. I'm going to press it in there. I'm just going to hold it in there for a few seconds. And there you go. Oh, trying to glue it to my table. Yeah, so it's not the middle, but and there you have it. So now you have your corsage, and they can tie it on the wrist, and it's comfortable like that. And that's how. So then pull up the glue strings and everything, but that's how that's gonna look. Okay, so I got 3 more of these to make, and then I'm going to be giving it to my niece when she comes up, because she's in my wedding. I'm not in hers, but I am going to hers. She's in Florida, and she's going to be coming up for my wedding, so when she comes up, I just give them to her then, and she'll have her corsages. So that's how you make a quick corsage, guys. And I'm thinking this was probably less than, it was pretty cheap to make, because I already had the felt. All I had to do was the ribbon. I think the ribbon was cost the most, and the flowers and the baby's breath and the, yeah, easy peasy. So that's my quick tutorial on how to make a corsage that you can tie around your wrist. And see how pretty that is. Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Y'all have a crafty day. Bye.